Need to make your Twitter or X account private? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can do it. Start by heading over to your application Twitter or X. Enter your login credentials and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and then head over to Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, move into Privacy and Safety. Head over to Audience and Tagging. You will see the option of Protect Your Post. All you want to do is enable this option. This feature will only show your post to people who follow you. You can also enable Protect Your Videos. Once done, your Twitter account will be private. If you go back and check on your profile, you'll get to see this icon, which means that your account is now private. So that's the wrap for this video. If it helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.